Put rice in your toilet and you'll thank me forever. With the continuous use of water when spending time, all items in your bathroom begin to suffer from the result of moisture content in the bathroom, thus generating various bacteria that cause the bad smell. There are 2 ways that we can use this tip today. The first being only necessary a small container for storage of our main item. I'm using a container with a lid so I can also store for longer. The first thing we will do is wash the container with alcohol. I'm using a spray bottle and only a small amount of alcohol is already more than enough for use. We do not even need to remove excess alcohol and then add the main item to this tip. And that is rice, being rice fully responsible for liquid absorption. It is very suitable for use in the bathroom. To improve the aroma of the environment, I will also use aroma using essence. You can use the smell of your choice, thus also bringing a great aroma to your bathroom. The ideal is the use of rice up to half the container and only a small amount of flavoring, essence. And with this, our tip is ready. The second way to use this tip is the preparation in a small canvas bag. This small bag, I make it from face musk. I decorated it with fabric flower. It looks so cute. The preparation is also simple. Just put again a small amount of rice and then also the flavoring essence. With this, we have 2 ways to prepare today's tip. Just remembering that the first one, for being in a container that can be closed with a lid, has a much longer duration too for use. I can position the container directly in the reservoir of my toilet, being a place with more need to have a greater use during the day, or we can put it anywhere in bathroom. Being perfect for use not only in your home and even in your work. In the car, everyone will be impressed for sure. You will notice in times the difference in humidity in your bathroom. Even after bathing quickly, all the steam and moisture will be removed by having the use of rice in your bathroom. I'm sure you've never used rice this way. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.